Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the situation when you turn your PC on and when you want to open any software or application or any document in your computer but it is responding late. So what you have to do, there might be an issue of the memory of the computer. So there is one tool in the Windows that is known as the disk defragmenter tool, which can eliminate your problem to some point. So what you have to do, how you can use this tool, go to the start button, go to all programs, click on accessories. In this you will find the system tools. And here is the disk defragmenter tool. Now what this tool do, as your files and folders are arranged or require memory. So it whenever the application installs, so much of the supporting files are installed with it. So what does this defragmenter tool do? It will arrange all the files to the particular area, the area that is left empty in the hard disk or in the RAM. So it will arrange all the fragmented files of any application or software to one particular location. It means it will utilize the unutilized space of the memory. So you can schedule this tool according to this. For this, you have to click on configure schedule. You can schedule it on daily basis, weekly basis. Now, if you want to defragment it now, you have to, here, you will have to start the disk defragmentation. Now, as you can see, it is started automatically. Now you can stop the operation if you want, but it will require time for defragmentation because it depends on the memory, that how much of the data that is stored into your computer. So it will take time. So whenever this disk defragmented is completed, leave it for some time, close this tool, and you can after this open your applications in a smoother way. So this is all about the disk defragmenter tool. I hope this will help you out. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.